guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to auto reply but on Gmail or email accounts. So now I'm showing how to do. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and share this video, subscribe our channel. So guys, I'm open just Google Chrome browser and click full screen and click Gmail account. So opening Google Workspace. Okay, just I'm trying a new Gmail, so no thanks. Okay, so click settings and click see all settings and scroll down and default reply behavior, so reply all, and scroll down and save change click. So automatically save. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. So next time chat with another new video. Goodbye.